Hello, Mark, and the brethren of the PWD Fellowship. I understand you are meeting this afternoon to celebrate the Christmas season and the spirit of Christmas. I want to greet you in behalf of my family and my wife Lisa, our children Jonathan, Gail, and David, whom not many of you have met yet. But God willing, we would like to meet up with you and do something that can enhance our effectiveness in bringing hope to a world that is seeking out of its frustration. All of us are differently abled, and I have always maintained that we are all disabled. Mark knows what I mean, and I hope that one day we can meet and we can polish each other as iron sharpens iron and minister together as God's people in a fallen world. God bless you all and enjoy your fellowship. I will miss that, but I hope to be able to catch up with you soon. Thank you very much. God bless you all.